The Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K dashcam is a cutting-edge vehicle security system that offers multiple features to ensure the safety of your car. High-quality video recording. The Vantrue N4 is equipped with 3 cameras, allowing you to simultaneously capture footage from the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle. It features a 155 front camera, a 165 inside camera, and a 160 rear camera. In triple-channel mode, it records in 144p, 144p++, 108op, providing audio as well. This comprehensive view helps protect you from potential accidents and liability issues. Versatile recording modes. The camera offers different recording modes. In front and rear dual recording mode, it provides a 4K to 160p resolution front camera and a 108op rear camera. The rear camera is easily adjustable with a 20 feet extension cable, making it suitable for various vehicle types. In addition, the front camera can record in 4K when used alone, ensuring clear capture of license plates and road signs. Infrared night vision. The N4 is equipped with a high-performance Starvis CMOS sensor and IR LEDs, enabling it to capture clear videos even in dark situations. This feature is particularly useful for rideshare drivers such as Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers. 24 hours parking mode. With a low bitrate recording parking mode, the dashcam continuously records while decreasing video quality to maximize storage. It also includes motion detection and collision detection, automatically initiating recording when triggered by an event. To utilize these features, the dashcam should be connected to a hardwire kit or an external battery. Durability and warranty. The Vantrue N4 is designed for extreme weather conditions, with a supercapacitor that can handle temperatures from 14F to 158F. It's built to last and even includes an extendable 18-month warranty. This camera is a reliable witness in case of accidents with a G-sensor that detects sudden shake or collision and locks footage for future reference. Additional features. The camera supports up to 256 gigabytes of external memory. It has optional GPS for tracking route, location, and speed. The package includes essential components like a rear camera with a 20 feet extension cable, car charger, suction cup mount, and more. In conclusion, the Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K dashcam offers a comprehensive solution for vehicle security and surveillance. Its triple-channel capabilities, high-quality recording, and durability make it an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance the safety and security of their vehicle.